Welcome to Daily English Listening. In this video, you will test your English level from A1 up to C2. The questions will become more difficult as we go, so make sure you stay until the end. This is a self-quiz. Grab a pen and paper. Each question is called a mark as you see. Write your answers, count your marks, and see your level at the end. Let's start.
Congratulations! You finished the quiz! The maximum score is 105 marks, so let's see how you did. Here's a quick guide to your English level. C2, 91 to 105 marks. C1, 76 to 90 marks. B2, 56 to 75 marks. B1, 36 to 55 marks. A2, 16 to 35 marks. A1, 5 to 15 marks. The higher your score, the stronger your English. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about trying your best and learning along the way. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to subscribe to Daily English Listening. We post fun quizzes, listening lessons, and tips to help you improve every day. Also, write your total score in the comments. Tell us which level you reached and how you felt during the quiz. We love seeing your progress. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep improving. See you in the next video for another fun English quiz or lesson.